Dear God, we ask for your help in increasing our trust and faith in you. In times of uncertainty, remind us of your steadfast love and faithfulness. Help us to rely not on our own understanding but on your guidance and provision. Strengthen our hearts to trust you more, especially when the path is unclear. May we find comfort in knowing you are with us, guiding us at every moment. Help us to surrender our doubts and fears, embracing a deep, abiding faith that you are working for our good. In our season of waiting, we seek your guidance and patience as we wait for the fulfillment of your promises. The things we hope for and the future we long for help us not to be idle. Encourage us to actively engage in seeking you and embodying the character you have called us to develop. Strengthen our faith during these periods of anticipation. Let us use this time to deepen our relationship with you, to serve our communities, and to grow spiritually and personally. Help us to trust in your timing, knowing that you are with us, guiding us to through our free will towards outcome that align with your will. Dear God, I am so grateful for this new day. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. Thank you for being there through every difficult season. Thank you for never turning away from me, even when I made so many mistakes. Thank you for keeping my mind in perfect peace. Thank you for ordering my steps in your world. Thank you for protecting me from all hurt, harm, and danger. Thank you for leading me on the path of righteousness. With all of my heart, I simply say thank you. I give this day to you. And whatever you do, whether in word or deed, do it all in the name of Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him. Colossians chapter 3 colon 17. I ask for your guidance and strength to become a diligent and hardworking co-laborer in your kingdom. Inspire me with a deep sense of purpose and commitment to the work you have set before me. Equip me with perseverance and zeal to undertake my task with excellence. Overcoming any challenges, help me collaborate effectively, fostering unity and support within your body of believers. May my efforts contribute meaningfully to the growth of your kingdom here on earth. Today we commit to making you the number one priority in our hearts and minds. Help us to focus on you and seek your kingdom above all else. Guide our thoughts and actions to align with your will, allowing us to serve you wholeheartedly. Instill in us a deep desire to pursue your righteousness and embody the principles of your kingdom in every aspect of our lives. As we center our day around you, grant us the clarity and peace that come from living under your lordship. We lift up those who are struggling with mental illness and feeling trapped in their minds today. Please extend your hand of healing and provide the freedom they seek from the burdens that weigh them down. Grant them release from the chains of past mistakes, ongoing battles, and any barriers that prevent them from fully following your will. Help them to experience your profound love and transformative power, bringing relief and renewal to their mind and spirits. May they find strength in your promises and support within the community as they work toward healing and wholeness. In moments when life feels heavy and uncertain, I come to you seeking hope. Remind me of your promises and fill my heart with the assurance that you are always working for my good. Help me to trust in your plan even when I cannot see the way forward. Renew my strength and restore my faith, Lord. Let your light shine in the darkness, guiding me closer to you. Thank you for being my constant source of hope, peace, and love. Grant me strength for today and hope for tomorrow. As I navigate the challenges of the present, fill me with the courage and fortitude to persevere, drawing on the steadfastness of your love and the promise of your presence. Thank you for the hope you provide for our future in our kingdom, a hope that sustains us and gives us peace amidst uncertainty. Let this assurance of what is to come invigorate my spirit and inspire a resilient faith that looks forward with optimism and confidence. Today I ask for your help to seek you first in all that I do. Guide my thoughts and actions so that they may align with your will and demonstrate my commitment to above all else. Instill me in a heart that yearns of your presence and wisdom throughout the day as I prioritize you. Strengthen my faith and deepen my understanding of your ways. May my life reflect a clear dedication to serving and honoring you, trusting that all other things will be provided as a walk in obedience in your word.